Hello, everybody. It's Sean Smith here with Junk Smiths out of Huntington Beach, California. Wanted to make a quick clip with some tips on a cheap and easy way to acquire property management companies. In the past, I have done mass emails through a third party, and I really haven't had that great of a response. What works best for me is I go to Google, pull up all the property management companies for the area I'm looking at. I have a 2-screen setup here, so on one screen I will have all the property management companies opened in individual tabs. As soon as I have as many open as I can find and want to email, I have my other screen with my email open and a pre-typed up introduction, introducing Junk Smiths. Basically what I'm looking to do and how we can benefit their company. And so anyways, I'll go to each property management company, go to their page. First thing I look for is their contact button. By far the best way to contact them. The open rate is probably 100%, so you're going to get eyeballs on those when you send them in. And what it'll ask for is first name, last name, your email, and the message that you're trying to get to them. And sometimes it'll even ask if you're a vendor and if you're looking to be a vendor. Again, usually it takes me a couple hours to do about 50. I usually have seen I pick up probably about one property management company for every 50 I do. And I don't do as much as I should. It does take a little bit of time, but by far it only costs you your time, decent response rate, and you get a property management company that hopefully is going to be a customer that's going to use you on a weekly, maybe a bi-weekly or a monthly basis. Some of them I have are on call. They still use us a lot. It's just we don't have them scheduled on regular slots like some of our others, but it is an awesome way to acquire property management companies. Give it a shot. I hope it's successful for you, and have a great day, guys.